Chicago.
We now interrupt our programming to activate the North Central Texas
Chicago.
Emergency Alert System. Important information will follow.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Here we go. And because the EAS emergency alert system. God! The fuck do I do then?
This is an activation of the Amber Network at the request of the Dallas
Chicago.
Dallas police are
Chicago
searching for two
Department.
children who have been abducted, evidently. Frank Cabello, or Cabello, 4 years old, and Chrislyn Garcia, 8 months old. The suspect being sought is identified as Christopher Anthony Garcia, 24. He's 5'9", weighs 170 pounds. He has tattoos on his left arm. One says Dallas Skyline and the other says Footprint. The children, according to the police, were abducted from 7301 Chaucer Place in Dallas. Once again, an Amber Alert issued for two children, Frank Cabello, 4 years old, Chrislyn Garcia, 8 months old, taken from 7301 Chaucer Place by a man identified, according to police, as Christopher Anthony Garcia, age 24, 5'9", 170 pounds, with Dallas Skyline